join up, sign up, make some money online. It's an excellent endeavor. This is a wonderful career, a wonderful way to make money. Besides, the regular 9 to 5 and the regular, hump, as we like to call it. So you can get away from daily grind. It really is true. You can work from anywhere in the world. You can work on the beach. You can work from a coffee shop. You can work in your pajamas. All of that's true. It's not any type of hype or anything like that. Now, let's get down to why I created this page. I really created this page for you so that it'd be convenient for you. I got tired of a lot of the ads, the same old, the way people promote. And I wanted a place that you could come to and actually just be able to see everything that I believe that works. Now, by now, you've seen my proof videos. I make a lot of money online. I make money with ClickBank, YouTube, AdSense, PayPal. My PayPal account always has money in it. I'm always making money there. Coins account, Bitcoin, you name it, okay? You guys know that pretty much anything that I set out to do, I make money with it. So these programs are legit, okay? First up, we have Exodus. It's a kind of medium range ticket program. Really brings in the money. I already have a sale so far. $1,300 is what you receive per sale. Amazing, powerful product. People are making thousands upon thousands of dollars. Next we have, and you get paid PayPal with this, Bitcoin or check, okay? Next we have My Instant Pays. Outstanding program. Just got a payment today, another payment today, as a matter of fact, in my PayPal account. $125 payments, guys. It's a really great system. Both of these systems are teaching you how to make money online. That's what the actual product is. You're going to learn how to make money. The websites are already there for you, done for you, services. Everything that I try to do is always going to be done for you. Like you can see, not trying to get ahead of myself, but as you can see with Web Copycat, done for you. I'm all about easy, working smarter, not harder. That's what the internet life is really all about, guys. Let's get to coins. Wonderful, powerful way to make money online. I've been making money online with coins for months. It's a really good money maker, okay? 3% daily. Click the link to find out all the information. I help you get set up. I show you step by step how to do every last thing from A to Z, okay? YouTube. Guys, I make a lot of money on YouTube. My channel alone makes so much money, the main channel, and then I have all these satellite channels that make money and bring in, drive traffic. If you want to learn how to create videos without even standing in front of a camera, making them effortlessly, this program is going to show you how to do that. Now, the creator of this program, and you probably already saw the video that I made on this, but just in case you didn't, the creator alone has had the highest grossing product on the internet, on the market right now for YouTube, okay? He is a master teacher at YouTube, and a lot of the things that he teaches are things that I implement myself. I've learned over the 8 years, so I recommend these products once again, and this is a definite winner here. Power lead system, guys. I can't say enough about that. That's actually how you got here. You received a message from me. You came in through the autoresponder. It redirected you to this site. So the power of that actual product is how I generate leads and sales. And what would my business be without power lead system? So every good online business needs to have an engine, that really keeps everything cranking and does all the hard work, if you will. And that's the power lead system. A lot of marketers swear by it. It is really a great system. You definitely want to click this link and check them out, okay? All of these products are wonderful. Now, if one of these by chance products are not here, when at the time of this video, if you see you come later and one of them's gone, that really means that something's happened with the product and maybe there's a flaw and it had to be removed for whatever reason. Maybe there's something in its place, so just understand that if things change slightly. But really, I think that most of these are going to be here because they're really strong products. Last but not least, definitely not least, is Web Copycat. I know a lot of you guys have seen my videos, my proof videos, PayPal amounts, JVZoo amounts. You get started for $1. Great system, guys. Jump in it again. Done for you system. Hands off, look, mine, no hands. You don't have to worry. It's really, really easy. Now, down below, quickly, didn't want to make this video real long, have my services. Ranking Bank service. Definitely check out this video. I will grab leads for you. You can actually rent my videos and get leads to any business you want to. Check this video out. Next, we have the full funnel service. This is how I do everything. How I build my websites, how I connect everything, all the social media traffic. I do this for you. This is like a service I actually provide for you, okay? Where you just let me do everything for you. I build everything for you from A to Z from scratch with my own personal touch, okay? And last but not least, Skype coaching. A lot of people want to get a hold of me. I'm always on the go. I'm always on the road. I love to travel, but I make time for those who really have important training that they need to know about, different questions they have, what have you. Coaching is available for you. Check this video out. Click the links. The banners are beneath these guys. Get started and read about my personal story. This is really good. How I got started, why I got started, why I left a six-figure overseas government contract job to have freedom. I just traded my, working for someone else for time freedom to be able to do what I want, when I want, how I want to do it, and call my own shots. You check out my personal story there. Again, if you want to subscribe, make sure you click the YouTube video, and you can also little YouTube icon. You can come up here and subscribe as well. And check me out on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. I'm always on Twitter. You can always message me over there as well. Message me on YouTube. Get a hold of me really easy. I'm always around online. Thanks, guys, for listening. This is Michael Internet Pro. Click these links. Get started, guys. I'm telling you, if it